Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iCloud Drive taking up too much space on iPhone without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: turn off and turn on your iPhone. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off. Slide to turn off your device. Wait for few seconds and turn your device back on. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off and on Drive iCloud signing. Tap on Setting app. Tap on your Apple ID name. Tap on iCloud. Here tap on iCloud Drive. Turn off signing this iPhone. Then report your device. Now turn on signing this iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn off and on iCloud Drive signing for apps. Tap on Setting app. Tap on your name. Tap on iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive. Tap on app signing to iCloud Drive. Disable all the apps that are listed. Restart your iPhone. Then enable all the apps and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update iOS version. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is a reset network setting. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iCloud Drive taking up too much space on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.